How to make a widescreen YouTube video with a cell phone. Now this frustrated me because I made a lot of videos on YouTube, and some of them I made with a cell phone because it's handy and the screen is narrow. Like this one right here, it's a narrow little screen with a picture and big black sides on it. This is a widescreen. It was made, you know, not with a cell phone, like some of these were made with a GoPro Hero 5 camera. But a lot of videos I made, this one would have been a really good video, except the screen's so narrow. You know, it was at the spur of the moment. I saw something good. All I had was my cell phone. I got it out and took a video, uploaded it to YouTube. The screen's narrow. So I have a lot of YouTube videos that are like that, and it's frustrating. There's a bunch of them. Here's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them right there, and 2 more up here, a bunch more down here, all narrow screen. Frustrating. So, you know, I researched online how to make a widescreen YouTube video with my cell phone. I did not find any good answers. I found a bunch of people saying, well, check the settings in your phone, check your camera settings. I found other people that didn't know that were asking the same question. And I finally figured it out just yesterday by accident. It's taken me forever, you know, because, I mean, I'm not really tech savvy. But I found it out yesterday by accident. So I'm going to share it with everybody. Please subscribe to my channel. It's really hard to get subscribers. And I've been living in my car for like a year and scratching it nothing. I work full time, and it's really, I mean, I worked really hard on this channel, and it's really hard to get subscribers. I don't have enough subscribers. But anyway, what I figured out yesterday by accident on how to do this. So I'm recording this video with a cell phone. I've got my laptop in front of me that we're looking at, Steven School Alchemy YouTube channel. I've got another cell phone here. Alright, so I was down at the river and I took a video and just found this by accident. Total sheer accident. Okay, so there's the camera icon on the cell phone. Right there, I'm going to touch that. Hopefully this is in the camera. So, okay, so the camera's opened up in this cell phone. That red light over there, if I touch that, it'll start recording a video. If I hit the white button, it'll take a picture. This other icon to the right is like a level. Okay, if I turn the camera sideways, the phone, it adjusts. It adjusts, and now that's all I gotta do. I record videos like this in my cell phone, and when I upload them to YouTube, they come out as a narrow screen that sucks. But if I turn the cell phone to the side, and that little level thing adjusts, the camera adjusts, now I hit the record button. Hold the cell phone sideways and record. And we're going to see how it looks because I'm recording this on a cell phone. Please subscribe to my channel. So this was really simple. You know, I dug through the settings in the phone like everybody online said, and dug through the camera settings and got nothing. Nothing. I put a lot of time into research and got nothing. So I've made it simple here, and I'm going to upload it to YouTube for the rest of you. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching Steven School Alchemy YouTube channel.